So let's go straight to our first spider that we generated. This is obviously not going to be right. But what I'm going to do is we need to change a few things. I'm going to get rid of this. I don't need this. And we're going to come back to the playground. The playground is going to be really useful for you when you're looking at doing this sort of thing, because it's going to have code snippets for you. So if I copy this URL, we'll run this one again. We don't need the HTML because I'm not planning on looking at it. Let's just run this again. And I didn't need to run it. We get the snippet either way, I think. We do. And this is going to come up and it's going to tell you, here's a few different ways of doing things. I reference this all the time just because I forget the right terminology or the right whatever. But this is just really handy to grab here. So I'm just going to grab this start requests as a base point and stick that in here. I don't have Scrapy imported like that, so I'm going to change it to this. And this is my request. I don't need follow redirect. Scrapy will just complain if I put that in there. But this is essentially now we are asking for this product navigation. So now I'm going to reference when it comes back here in my parsing. I'm going to copy this out. And we'll put this in here like so. So let's save this and let's check that everything's working by running in here. We'll do Scrapy crawl. And this is called products. And we should then have, something come back in the terminal that isn't a load of errors, and it looks like we know what we're doing. Looks good so far. Okay, so we should have some information. Yes, we do. Now this response is exactly what we were expecting because this is the same as what we were looking at in the playground and in the documentation. You can see that we've got the next page URL here, and this is a JSON response, which we very, very easy to work with. So we can start to build this up.